Hi guys, Dr. Sabrina Wu here today with another video under the Breakfast Club series that I started a couple weeks ago. If you guys missed the first video, I'm going to link it for you on the screen right now, as well as the description box below. That one was all about a super quick, easy, on-the-go smoothie. Today's recipe is actually going to be a nourishing oatmeal bowl. So perfect for those days when you want something a little bit more warm, cozy, nourishing, substantial in a different way, because some days you just don't want a super cold like breakfast item. So we're starting off with organic old-fashioned rolled oats. I'm just using the one from Whole Foods, like their in-house brand. Let's measure out half a cup of this. Then we're gonna go in with our milk of choice. Today I am using vanilla almond milk. It's kind of my go-to. So we're going to measure out 1 cup of the milk. So the milk has been added into the bowl of oats. And if you guys watched last week's video on the channel, you would have heard me talk all about the amazing gut health benefits of oats. So if you're interested in learning about 4 other foods that can help with your gut health, I'm going to link that video in the description box below, as well as on the screen for you to check out after this video. Now we're just going to microwave the bowl of oats for about 1.5 minutes, and then I'm going to come back. So next we're going to go in with a little bit of maple syrup for a little bit of flavor, as well as just a little boost of sweetness. I don't go overboard with this step though. I just use like a teaspoon or less just for a little something. So I'm actually using like half a teaspoon. Okay, we're gonna give that a stir and mix it in. So we're moving on to the next step now, which is flaxseed meal. I'm using the one from Trader Joe's today. And flaxseed meal, for those of you that are not familiar with it, it's just basically ground up flax seeds. It has a very soft and fluffy texture. It adds an amazing nutty taste to your oatmeal bowls, and it gives it such a nice thickness and consistency because the oatmeal is a little on the runnier side right now. So once you stir this in, it's going to give it that thickness that I just love. It also is an amazing source of omega-3s, which are essential for heart health, hair health, skin health. So I love incorporating this into like my breakfast items whenever I can. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of this. And you can kind of just stir it in. And then we're going to top off the oatmeal bowl with berries. I'm using wild blueberries today, which are my favorite. It has more antioxidants than its regular blueberry counterpart, just because the skin to flesh ratio is a lot higher, and the skin of the blueberries is where you find all the antioxidants. So we're adding that on top of the oatmeal. And then we're going to go in with some almond butter for a boost of protein. I love adding this. You can use cashew butter, peanut butter, whatever you prefer. Today I'm going with raw almond butter from Trader Joe's. So I kind of just eyeball this. I do about like 2 tablespoons as well, just like the flaxseed meal. All right, and last but not least is cinnamon. I love adding cinnamon anywhere I can in my diet because it's such a great natural way to regulate your blood sugar, and it just adds a nice aroma to your breakfast items. So I'm going to sprinkle the whole oatmeal bowl with a bit of ground cinnamon, and I don't measure this, I just sprinkle it all over as a finishing touch. And I just love the scent of it. It's just such a nice and pleasant aroma, and it's just a great addition to a nourishing and warm oatmeal bowl. All right, so the oatmeal bowl is now finished, and this is the final result. So we have so many healthy and nourishing ingredients packed into this one bowl here, you guys. We have the amazing base of oats, which are great for gut health. We have protein coming from the almond butter as well as the flaxseed meal. We have antioxidants coming from the wild blueberries, ground cinnamon to help stabilize your blood sugar so that it doesn't spike and crash mid-morning, and then you end up reaching for those unhealthy sugary snacks to recover. and all of this in one easy to make under 3 minutes or less breakfast recipe. So I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Let me know in the comments below if you do. Let me know in the comments below as well of what videos you want to see more of from me. If you enjoy this kind of content, you want to see more of this from me, like this video, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I would love to have you guys join this community here. And until next time, bye guys.